Hello, world. Attention, this is a time sensitive offer, so you need to act fast. Hey, if you're seeing this right now, consider yourself really lucky because what you're about to discover can genuinely change the way you build your online business starting today. That's right, we're giving away access to an epic free traffic system that can help you grow a real audience, build your email list, and generate commissions on autopilot, even while you sleep. This is a limited time opportunity, so stay with me. We've built a new beginner friendly marketing system that is designed to help you build a massive email list, um, plug into an automated traffic streams, generate multiple streams of income, and do it without needing any prior experience, no tech skills, or no paid ads. This is a location free home based business opportunity. This is the type of automation top marketers use, but without the huge learning curve or expensive software. I'm going to allow you to copy my Team Freedom funnel right now. So, ordinary people, complete beginners, are already using systems like this to create steady online income streams. Of course, results vary, and nothing online is magic, but when you follow the steps, the system does a lot of heavy lifting for you. Here's the wild part. For a short time, you can access the entire Team Freedom system for free. That's right. No strings attached. No tricks, no hidden fees, just a straightforward setup that lets you start driving massive traffic and collecting leads right away for any business that you'd like. When you activate your free account, you can unlock powerful marketing and traffic tools, capture leads, promote multiple streams of income all at once. This is everything you need to start building a real digital asset. Your email list. Remember, this is a time sensitive offer. Once this free access window closes, it's gone. So don't wait. Click on the link now, put in your email, and get access to Team Freedom.